Hi guys, I'm back with another video, another crypto analysis. This is yet another cryptocurrency recommended by my millionaire buddy Ken. All right. So a bit of a background history. So Ken's this really hardcore cryptocurrency investor, and he really loves looking for such what we call altcoins, right? Alternative coins. And he came across this, and he wanted some thoughts about it. And so here I am. Let's just dive right into it. Altcoin. Kyber. So today we're gonna look at Kyber, right? Kyber network, KNC. So this KNCBTC. I think we should. That's my bad. I should change to. Oh, well, it's only KNCBTC. All right. So we're gonna look at KNCBTC today. Wow, looks crazy, right? So it seems like it had a very good past 2 days. So let's just dive right in, okay? So Kyber network. I really love this name. Why? Because in Star Wars, right? So in Star Wars, there's this thing called the Kyber crystal. Kyber crystal is the thing that that they used to make lightsabers. And I mean, look at this. What does this remind you of? Right, this thing here. So yeah, apart from the lame jokes, let's see. Okay, so again, we have here double bottom, strong bullish formation, strong bullish indication. Oh man, my computer's lagging a little bit. Like so. Like so. So you can see that there's already a indication of like a price rejection over here going on in this zone. You can see. Seems like the market really doesn't like this price range. Yeah. Naturally, I don't know the fundamental story behind Kyber. I almost said Kyber crystal, right? So I don't know the backstory of Kyber network. I don't know why it had such a big spike twice here, and I also don't know what contributed to this really long descent. And can I just say, whoever shorted this period of time, congrats. Whoever shorted Kyber stock from here all the way down to here, good job, congratulations. Probably like another millionaire like Ken. Yeah, so ever since it went for a great crash, basically it's been going sideways. Basically has been ranging coin for a long time now. Would things finally change? Let's have a look. Let's see. So there's a strong, like I said, there's a strong bullish indication of double bottom, but it didn't break the trend line. So trend line is typically over here. So you can see typically higher highs. You can see it's a very clean line, apart from this straight up price rejection, right? It's a very clean line. So you can see it's a very clean channel before it broke down, right? And went straight back in. So it'd be interesting to see, right, whether it stays in this let's see whether it stays in this channel, because it's quite likely it's just gonna bounce around here. If it stays, it might just break into this greater area of consolidation, like right here. Yeah. If it goes back down, goes back out of the channel, it just might be consolidating in this area all over again. And it has shown signs of doing so. You can see that if I were to expand this, look, it's happened here before. If we look even further, you can see it has happened multiple times before. This is quite funny though. I wonder what happened here. Probably some sort of manipulation going on. It's quite funny. Let's see. I'm just curious. I'm gonna take a look at this. Yeah. Someone tried to pump the market. I don't know. Some guys probably tried to pump the market but failed and then ended up closing at a lower price. This coin seems to have the trend going on. Like, there seems to be an indication of manipulation. Well, so many price rejections. Yeah. So at least that's in the long run. How about in the short term? What about being a trader? Is it any good? Let's go on a shorter time frame. Zoom out a little bit. Interesting. So nope. Let's see. Okay. I think in this case, right, at least in the short term, there isn't any strong indication of anything interesting that's gonna happen. At least for me, in my opinion. Let's see if anything says. No. I think it's really suspicious, right? All these little long price rejections is very, very suspicious. And as the kids say these days, it's sus. It's quite interesting. The double bottom formation's a bit different as well. Consolidation here. Yeah, can't see anything interesting happening. One way that we can try, right, to glean some information, right, is to use the Fibonacci again, and try and align the key events to the price action. So something like that. Right, so what happened here, right? Let's just zoom in and have a look at this. Okay, so what I did, right, was align the prices to the retracement lines on the Fibonacci graph. Alright, so quite likely what we're gonna look at, what's gonna happen is, well, as you can see, it's already started to happen, but it's quite likely it's just gonna bounce back up here. So I think as a trader, if you want to take this, I don't know how many percent this is. It's like this little thing, 5%. I think that's not too bad. 5% is not too bad. 5% upside. Just go in, get out. That's not too bad. This is the 1 hour chart, right? Let's just take a look at 5-minute chart to verify some claims. Oh wow, look at this. Look, so low trading volume. All right, there's such a low trading volume with such sporadic spikes in volume. Something is fishy. So you can see right here, even here, see, no trading volume, high trading volume, no trading volume, literally nothing sold here, and then spike. Something's up here. I don't know what. I didn't do any research on this because it just came up today by my friend Ken. So just here to take a look. Why not? Seems fun. So yeah, man, yep. So this is the Fibonacci line. This is the Fibonacci line. It's probably just gonna bounce in between here for a bit. Would I enter this? Maybe not. Maybe not. I mean, unless you're a bit gutsy and you want to go in to earn this 5%. If you were to ask me, so right now it's at this price, right? Oh well, it went back down. Okay, so it's at this upside. I think it's okay for a short trade. I don't think there's anything really wrong with it. You might want to consider leveraging up 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times just to make it worth your while. Set a stop loss, so I might structure it something like this if I were to head back in, head into this trade. So I'd probably structure it something like this. $2.83, let's say 2.8 risk reward ratio. So yeah, these numbers, I think. Yeah, at these numbers right here, I think it's okay. It's okay for a same like intraday trade. One day, hold it for a couple hours, get 7%, get out. But definitely, I'm not gonna. It's not something that I think I would hold for the long run. Why? Why is that so? Look at this, right? It's been sideways for, well, since December. One could make an argument like, hey, look at this, man, higher high, higher lows, all the way up. Like, wow, it's an uptrend. Look, like, wow, it's an uptrend, right? But okay, so here's the interpretation of the psychology in my opinion. Okay, so market's gone down all the way down. It rejected the price, and so it starts this higher highs, higher lows, right? So it naturally looks to be interesting. Like, wow, bruh, higher lows, higher highs, like not too shabby. But now, if you look at the bigger picture, right? See, this is a reverse pennant, right? Bearish pennant. When you enter the channel downwards, you exit the channel downwards. Where it reached this point, rejected. Try to go back in, rejected. Go back down, rejected, and then it finally broke through. But now it's in the middle of nowhere, right? Literally no man's land. If you're gonna split the channel in half, look at this. So let's say we're gonna split the channel in half. It's literally stuck in no man's land right now. We don't know if it's going up or going down. And plus, oh, maybe I'll just leave this there. So, and plus, if we're gonna split it in half, probably, right, roughly speaking, maybe just lower it a little bit. And plus, we're meeting at this point where there's two lines of resistance, the pivot point and the channel line. Yeah, so definitely I'm gonna stay out for this one, and I advise people to do so. I mean, of course, if you want, you can go in. If you think my analysis is wrong, if I'm talking nonsense, then hey, feel free to go in. Who knows, I may not know what I'm talking about, right? But yeah, Kybernetwork, apart from being a cool name, I think not a very cool trade. Wait for the retracement. I mean, it'd be nice if I caught this. Whoever caught this would be nice. Whoa, look at this, 60% upside. Crazy. But too bad I missed it. Well, nothing to be sorry about. Too many coins, too many opportunities. Well, I just saw this though. Look at this. This is interesting. 4-hour chart, right? Depending on how you interpret this, there might be a bullish pattern going on. So this way up, potentially this way up, potentially. So some small upside for you, but potentially. So there might be a breakout this way. Yeah, probably a breakout this way ish. Yep. So something to think about. But again, I don't expect like the whole 60% thing to happen again. I don't think. Yeah. So again, Kyber network. Fun coin to look at, fun chart to look at, but probably wouldn't enter. So yeah, this has been my analysis for the Kyber network versus Bitcoin chart. Of course, do your own research. This is just me doing some random analysis for friends. And if you want to check out more of my other analyses, just, well, check my upload list. Okay, do like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.